Today is the very interesting story of a reality of in a education system. Lots of lawful of the teaching application management. Why and today in second or third November is very sad of the education responsibility of the school. In a news 3rd of November, Rajasthan intermediate school this story in a 9-year old child are jumped for school building. But which type of frustration, which type of torturing in a student? That is the misbehavior of a student life. But why? In parents is very high, educated. In girls is very intelligent maybe. And that's why teacher are not really understand from the student. And that's why this is a crime from a children's life. It's the play with your emotion, not supporting, but only for torture, mentally. Lots of time, and that's why as any types of student, first one chance is a jump in a building. But literally, that is the not a truly education system in Rajasthan effort. Long time duration, that is the education system is the only for lawful, only for a blank box. That is the not understand of the teacher or in a student, and that's why you change is not of the all over type of education, but literally you are trying one step understand of a student, not a torture, but because family is already, and that's why students are not a bank, not a option with a full fit and out of thoughts, emotion, frustration, anxiety. That is the not out of lawful anyone, only for one option of the teacher. Please, I request for you, all our teachers, understand in a student emotion, strength, weakness. That's it a right way. You are right teacher. But anyway, you are a businessman. You are not understand of a student life, not understand of a student emotion, and that's why students are only for one option: jump a building. But in a parents is very regret in your life. Why I admission for this school? That is the business, not understand of a student emotion, and that's why that is the story is true in Rajasthan International School. Lots of efforts, lots of money income generated, but students are not a generate of a real teacher, only for a business, not a business to convert of the understanding skill of teacher. And that's why it's not a accidentally, but monthly, yearly, that is the repeat of this similarly story. But parents are not properly treat of these types of business school, and that's why repeat this similarly mistake repeatedly. So I suggest for you, please understand of the student life, and after you can do. Thank you so much. That is the my day 7. This is so first start is news in English, but literally I this is maybe story in the right and wrong sentences and wrong one, but that is the real story. Okay, I'm so sorry for you are feel guilty, but that is the reality of the education business purpose. Thank you so much. You want my devil say devil lots. Thank you so much.